Manually collecting leads from Google Maps is slow and inefficient. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the entire process. This is Google Maps Extractor, a tool designed for fast and scalable lead generation. First, let's take a look at the main functional areas of the software. The quick menu provides fast access to commonly used data extraction features, including website crawling, system settings, and data export options. The data table displays all extracted results in real time. The built-in browser shows the live Google Maps page during the extraction process. The progress panel indicates how many records have been collected and the current status. The real-time status section shows the overall running state of the software. Now let's walk through the extraction workflow. Step 1. Click the Keywords button. In the Keyword Configuration panel, select the target country. Then select the state. Next, choose the city and enter your search keyword in the input field. Click the At List button. The system will automatically generate and combine all search queries into a task list. Click OK to save the configuration. Step 2. Back on the main screen, click the Start Search button. The software will automatically execute each search task. The browser will navigate through pages and continue to the next keyword automatically. This process continues until all search tasks are completed. Step 3. Click the Search Email button. The software will automatically crawl official websites and related subpages listed in the table. Contact details and social media information will be extracted and updated automatically. Once the extraction is complete, export the data with a single click. Thank you for watching.